How's it? I'm Greg from T.E.C. Homes, and today I build a boma fire pit for a client. If you are eating, now's maybe a good time to leave the room to avoid what looks and sounds like elephant diarrhea. For the final brick to be placed, I left 2 gaps on either side just for drainage. Now for the fun part. Using my trowel, I etched lines for the look of rocks being placed on top of each other that I was complimented by an admirer. This ended up being one of those days where the weather app gets it wrong, and it ended up being a lot hotter than guesstimated. So I asked the client to cover the slab and spray with water for 2 days after resurfacing to solve the problem.